What if a fighter jet could see enemy aircraft before they even knew it was there? What if it could strike targets hundreds of miles away, share battlefield intelligence instantly, evade advanced radar systems, and dominate the skies without ever firing a shot? For decades, air superiority belonged to the fastest fighters, the highest flying interceptors, the most maneuverable dogfighters. But modern warfare has changed. Today, the deadliest weapon isn't speed, it isn't altitude, it isn't even firepower. It's information. And no aircraft in history has been built around information quite like the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. A fighter jet so advanced that some military experts call it a flying supercomputer. A stealth aircraft designed not only to fight wars, but to redefine how wars are fought. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Armory Unveiled and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into the world's most powerful military technologies. Now, let's uncover the incredible story of the F-35 Lightning II. By the 1990s, military planners faced a problem. America operated several different combat aircraft, each designed for specific missions. The Air Force needed a replacement for aging fighters. The Navy required carrier-capable aircraft. The Marine Corps wanted a jet capable of short takeoffs and vertical landings. Building separate aircraft for each branch would be enormously expensive. Instead, a revolutionary idea emerged. One aircraft, multiple variants, shared technology, maximum flexibility. This concept became the Joint Strike Fighter program, a competition that would shape military aviation for decades. Two aerospace giants competed for the contract, Lockheed Martin and Boeing. Both companies developed advanced prototypes. Both sought to convince the Pentagon, but only one could win. After extensive testing, Lockheed Martin's design emerged victorious. The future F-35 was born, a project that would become the largest military aviation program in history. The F-35 isn't a single aircraft. It's actually three distinct variants. The F-35A serves the Air Force. The F-35B supports the Marine Corps. The F-35C operates from aircraft carriers. Each variant shares common systems, yet each is optimized for different missions. This flexibility allows multiple branches to operate a common platform, reducing logistical complexity and increasing interoperability. The defining characteristic of the F-35 is stealth. Enemy radar systems are designed to detect aircraft, track them, and guide missiles toward them. The F-35 is designed to make that task extremely difficult. Its shape, its materials, its internal weapons bays all reduce its radar signature. Instead of appearing like a conventional fighter, it may appear as something far smaller, or remain undetected altogether. In modern warfare, that advantage can mean the difference between life and death. Imagine having eyes everywhere. Imagine seeing threats hundreds of miles away. Imagine knowing exactly what is happening across the battlefield. This is the experience F-35 pilots describe. The aircraft's sensor fusion system combines information from multiple sensors, radar, infrared systems, electronic surveillance equipment, external platforms, satellites, ground forces. Everything is integrated into a single picture. The pilot doesn't have to sort through dozens of displays. The aircraft does it automatically. The F-35 helmet is one of the most advanced ever created, costing hundreds of thousands of dollars per unit. It functions like something from science fiction. Pilots can see flight information directly on their visor, targeting data, navigation, threat warnings. Even more remarkable, the helmet can project imagery from cameras mounted around the aircraft, allowing pilots to effectively see through the jet. No fighter before it offered such capability. Modern wars are fought not only with bombs and missiles. They are fought with information, signals, and electronic attacks. The F-35 excels in this environment. It can detect enemy radar emissions, locate threats, disrupt hostile systems, and collect valuable intelligence. In many cases, its electronic warfare capabilities are as important as its weapons. Despite its emphasis on stealth and sensors, the F-35 remains a formidable combat aircraft. It carries advanced air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, anti-ship weapons, and various specialized munitions. When stealth is required, weapons are carried internally. When maximum firepower is needed, external hardpoints can be used. The aircraft adapts to the mission. Among all variants, the F-35B may be the most fascinating. Unlike traditional fighters, it can perform short takeoffs and vertical landings. This capability allows operations from smaller ships, remote bases, and austere locations. The engineering required to achieve this was extraordinary. A rotating engine nozzle, a lift fan, and complex flight control software. Together they create one of aviation's greatest achievements. The Marine Corps discovered something remarkable. Large amphibious assault ships could carry significant numbers of F-35Bs, transforming them into mini aircraft carriers. These Lightning carriers dramatically increase combat flexibility. Ships like the USS Tripoli and USS America can project substantial air power far from home. Eventually, every weapon system faces the ultimate test: combat. The F-35 has participated in real-world operations, demonstrating its ability to gather intelligence, coordinate strikes, and operate in contested environments. These missions provided valuable insights and validated many of the aircraft's revolutionary concepts.
The F-35 is not solely an American aircraft. It serves with numerous allied nations, including United Kingdom, Italy, Japan, Australia, Norway, Israel, and many others. This international adoption strengthens alliances and interoperability. No discussion of the F-35 is complete without mentioning cost. The program has faced criticism, delays, budget overruns, technical challenges. Critics questioned whether the aircraft was worth the investment. Supporters argued that revolutionary technology requires significant resources. The debate continues today, but the aircraft remains central to future military planning. Traditional fighter pilots focused on maneuverability, turning performance, and close-range combat. The F-35 embraces a different philosophy. Why engage in a dogfight if you can destroy the enemy before being detected? The aircraft prioritizes information superiority, long-range engagement, and battlefield awareness. Modern warfare increasingly supports this approach. The F-35 faces competition from advanced aircraft around the world, such as the Chengdu J-20, the Sukhoi Su-57, and future sixth-generation programs. Each seeks to dominate future battlefields. The competition continues, driving innovation and technological advancement. One of the F-35's greatest strengths is its ability to function as a battlefield coordinator. It collects information, processes data, shares intelligence, and helps direct operations. In many ways, it acts as a nerve center on the battlefield. It acts as a flying command center, a force multiplier for every friendly unit nearby. Future wars will involve drones, artificial intelligence, networked weapons, and autonomous systems. The F-35 is designed to operate within this environment. Its architecture allows upgrades, new software, new weapons, and new capabilities. This adaptability ensures relevance for decades. Pilots transitioning from older fighters often describe the F-35 as transformative, not because it flies dramatically faster, but because it provides so much information. Situational awareness becomes unprecedented. Decision-making becomes faster. Survivability improves. Many compare the transition to moving from an old cell phone to a modern smartphone. The F-35 may represent the pinnacle of fifth-generation aviation, but it is also a bridge, a stepping stone toward future sixth-generation aircraft. Lessons learned from the Lightning II are already shaping tomorrow's designs. Its influence will extend far beyond its own service life. The F-35 Lightning II is more than a fighter jet. It is a technological revolution, a stealth aircraft, an intelligence platform, an electronic warfare system, a precision strike fighter, and a battlefield command node, all combined into a single machine. Whether praised as a masterpiece or criticized for its cost, the F-35 stands as a key pillar of modern combat. Its impact on military aviation is undeniable. The future of air warfare has arrived, and its name is the F-35 Lightning II. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the F-35 Lightning II, don't forget to subscribe to Armory Unveiled, like this video, and turn on notifications. Tell us in the comments, which stealth fighter would you like us to cover next? The J-20, Su-57, B-21 Raider, or F-22 Raptor? Until next time, stay informed, stay curious, and keep your eyes on the skies, because the next battle for air superiority is already beginning.